The next thing I want to talk about is my FAQ plugin. I really like this because I'm able to add a series of global FAQs that I can add to all products. Things like, how do I access my digital download? Is it a shipped item? I have another question about your store. And I made actually a store FAQs, which is separate from this plugin. So if I open up this, then I have a set of general questions. So you might want to be thinking about and developing your store frequently asked questions page. In addition, I bought the add-on to ask a question. I have had a couple people actually ask me the question, and when I answer it, I can choose to add it to the FAQs. I do have other specific FAQs for some other products. Most of them just have these general questions attached. So the products I use are the Woocommerce product FAQ manager. It's $20, and then you can add on the Ask a Question one for $16. And I do recommend both. They're one-time fees.